Creating a group is very straightforward and simple. Just a few clicks and keystrokes, you can create a group fully suited to your needs. To start, click the Create Group link on the top header bar, and this will bring you to the Create Group page. Begin by filling out the name of your group and then the description. A group name is required, but a description is not. Although, if your group is publicly listed, it is a good idea to include a description to help portray your group's intent to potential members. Next, we come to the group settings. This is where you will create the permissions for your different areas in your groups. Firstly, the general settings, which contain 3 options. The first box, which is publicly listing your group, will make this group available on the public groups page. Checking the second box will allow anyone to freely join the group. And the third box will allow users in your group to invite new members. If you check this box, the invite to group icon will be available to all members. After the general settings, each sections are categorized by the different areas featured in groups. First, the news settings, where you can allow users to add news articles and also whether or not they are allowed to remove articles they have posted. If the second box is not checked, users will be able to remove all news articles, and if neither of these boxes are checked, users will not be able to add or delete any news articles. Next, the file and photo settings are combined into one area. You can allow all members to add files and photos, and in the second checkbox, you can restrict users to deleting only files that they have added. If not checked, users will be able to remove all files from the group. If neither of these boxes is checked, users will not be able to add or delete any files or photos. Next, the shout box setting, which allows you to control whether or not members of your group can post messages in the shout box. Additionally, you can decide if group members can reply to messages in the shout box. Lastly, we have the calendar settings, which contain multiple options for configuring your group's calendar. You can allow all members to add and delete calendar events. Next, you can decide whether or not group members can edit and delete all events or just the ones that they have added. And the final calendar event setting is to allow users to send email event reminders for events they have added. Unless you are an administrator or manager, members are restricted from sending event reminders for events that are not theirs. Click the Create Group button to create your group. For more information about managing a group, please see the administration video.